Hello. Right. Welcome everybody. Let's whoops. Let's get a check on the stream health. Hopefully internet is okay. I'm trying to dual stream, so we'll see how it goes. I'm just checking my stream. Frames per second's not particularly good, is it? How is it? If you're in the chat, say hello. I will double check how things are. It says that the frames per second rate's not great. Yesterday it was okay, right? When I was streaming yesterday, it wasn't too bad. So yeah, hopefully it stays okay. But yeah, if you're here, please do just let me know how things sound, how things are looking. And then we'll make a start. Is no one gonna say anything? Chat, I need a health check. You guys need to tell me how things are looking, how things are sounding. If there's anything that I need to do to make the stream better. It's a little bit laggy. Let me see if I can close out of some stuff. To save my CPU, or GPU, internet a little bit. Maybe I lose the music as well. We'll see how things are. Hopefully that makes it a little bit better. I can see on my iPad it's a bit dodgy. Laggy. Ah, so annoying. Bear with. Yesterday was fine, right? I hate having to stream from places that just don't have good enough internet for it. How do I cancel my YouTube stream? I'm getting like 64% dropped frames. Let's see what happens if I just close YouTube. See if that improves things. And we just won't have the music on in the background. That's one thing that can help. Another thing that could help is stopping the Twitter stream. But I don't know how to stop the Twitter stream without stopping both streams. So that's a problem. And then we just focus on YouTube. Is anyone watching on Twitter? Probably not. Right, let me try one thing real quick. Let me just end this stream. And then I'm going to... Actually, are things looking better? Actually, this is better, right? No, 65% dropped frames. Fuck's sake. Okay, let's roll with this, see how it goes. I think stopping the music has certainly helped a lot. So, and if we keep getting problems, I'm going to keep checking. I've got myself open. I can see where we're at. If we keep getting problems, I will just restart the stream from just doing it on YouTube rather than Twitter and YouTube. And I'll try and get somewhere with a better internet connection for next week. So, yeah, welcome everybody. Who do we have in the chat? Who do we have here? Lucifer, welcome. Jam B, Jim, Capsulis, Muchba, Salman, G Rob, Shorty, Douglas, Traps Long. Shorty, I've already said. Lucifer, I've already said. Gasper, Elliot Patterson, Flora, Bruce Lee, Sebastian, Hasta la Vista Barbie, Mwahaha Wax, and yeah, other people in the chat as well. So yeah, if you are here, say hi, say hello, and we shall begin. So yeah, like I say, I'm going to be coming at you live in your faces much more over the next few weeks. It's just been so boring lately, and we've got some stuff to talk about now. So I've been focusing on just doing stuff for the crew, new strategies, trading the indices. But I know most of the audience, most of you guys who are watching live streams are much more interested in crypto. And there's just not been a whole lot of stuff to discuss within crypto recently. But I think now is looking a lot better. So today's a really interesting day, right? We've hit 100K again. We have taken some liquidity. So this is the first time, the first time getting any kind of decent move up for quite a long time through the point of control. So above 96K. So for me, it is looking like strength. Of course, 100K is going to be a big psychological level. But what we saw previously and what we were discussing on recent videos and recent streams was the fact that we had very similar structure to what we saw back here, just here. And I do believe we are starting the next phase of the bull run now. I think we've had a very deep correction. I think if there was a time to be trapping longs, I think it would have happened towards the end of April, when we had this consolidation here. It remained strong, and we have since had that break out higher. Now today's going to be an interesting day as well, because I mean, it's partially news led. So nothing really happened for FOMC yesterday. It was a bit of a non-event. Of course, we didn't get any rate cuts. We weren't expecting any rate cuts. The press conference itself didn't tell us too much about what may be happening in the future. But for my idea, it's this whole thing that, okay, the economy isn't as broken as many people thought it was. The tariffs caused a huge reaction when we had this tariff news and everything. It had a massive reaction. And everything got priced in, and we're looking at this being essentially what was this cycle's black swan event. We've gone through a quarter of Trump in presidency now, so we're more than 100 days into it, more than one quarter into it. And we were saying that it was likely that the first quarter, the first 100 days would be pretty volatile, that there would be problems created that would need to be solved. Those problems are now being solved, even though it was a problem created by Trump and his administration anyway. And there's some announcements today, so I think within like half an hour there's going to be a press conference, so Trump's going live, so it'll be interested to see what happens then. And New York is about to open, so we shall see what happens here as well. And so this press conference today is about